Hello, I'm Michelle. I have been selected as the Fab Clique's guest sewist for the month of May for the solid subscription. This is my first subscription package to receive, and I'm excited about it. I know each month it is $25. You get 3 yards, be it 3 yards of one continuous piece or like 2 yards, 1 yard, or whatever that they choose, but it's all solid pieces. This is my package. I'm excited that I got it today, and I am wanting to open it to share it with you. Let's get started a little bit. Inside is some gorgeous solid colors. Look at those. This is a gorgeous coral rib knit. Super, almost silky soft. And this, I almost want to call it a sage green. I'm sure I'll be corrected on the true coloring on it, but another gorgeous green also in the rib knit. Thank you so much for this opportunity to be the guest sewist, and looking forward to seeing what I make. Have a wonderful day, and thank you.